4th floor. Just wait for the whistle before we will start our trick or treat. Wait for the whistle bago magbibigay ng mga candies. Again, requesting our stores. Ayan. So, sabay-sabay tayo magbigay ng candies. We will wait for the whistle and for the signal before we will start our trick or treat. Sige, antayin po natin ang ating mga kids na aakyat sa 4th floor. That's color pink and color yellow. Pink and yellow. Ayan, paakyat na sila sa 4th floor. Lahat ba ng color blue nasa 2nd floor na? Orange, 3rd floor. We will count down 10 down to 1. Okay. Signage provided by the marketing officer. Signage will be distributed and meron pong nakahang or post na signage on the glass door or storefront. Signage must be displayed by the start of the mall hours. Okay, ayun na po, tingnan po kung may signage sa mga store. Pag meron, then pwede kayong ang ating list. Ready na? Okay, let's start up 10 up to 1. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Our trick or treat is now officially open. Congratulations to everyone and happy Halloween.
Pwede yang abot day. Day. Kabot ka? Bili na si Rapas ko ada ini.